Hi and welcome back to our mini-series where we're going to show you some hints and tips around getting the best out of Microsoft Excel. Many businesses use it and this is your chance to learn new skills and wow the people around you with some new Excel knowledge. This time we're going to cover a couple of formula related features called Trace Precedents, Trace Dependents and Show Formulas. So first up, I'd like to show you what the Show Formulas feature does. If you're in a position where you inherited an Excel workbook or simply can't remember the calculation points on the spreadsheet, there is a handy feature that will highlight these formulas to you. On the Formulas tab, under the Formula Auditing section, there's a feature called Show Formulas. This will open up the spreadsheet to show you where there is a formula in any cell. And you can see here that in my company profit and loss, we have all our values, but you can see that we now have a variety of formulas further down in each of the cells. If you want to undo that and go back to your regular data, you just unclick Show Formulas. Understanding where the formulas are one thing, but there's a feature in here that will allow you to see what those formulas are made up of and more importantly show you them in a really visual manner. So we have Trace Precedents and Trace Dependents. If you were to highlight a field that's got a value in it that we think may be included somewhere else and click on Trace Dependents, you can see where that value is included in other calculations. So in this example, our cost of sales components for this period last year, we can see this £1,520 is included in the this period year comparison and also in the total of the cost of sale. If we were to click Trace Precedents again, it will drill down further and look at where the next step is on that. And there is another feature that shows you it the other way around. So if we were to choose this total here and we want to see what that is made up of, we have this feature up here called Trace Precedents. If we choose that, and it will highlight that this total here is made up of these calculations above. And finally, if you want to remove those arrows and get rid of that visual, you can click on the Remove Arrows option and you can either remove just the precedent or the dependent or all of them. Thank you for joining us in our Excel series. Tune in next time where we'll be covering more features, more functions and more formulas. Thank you.